KleshGuitars, beginner Paydirt. Let's go. What's up, guys? Cheetah here, and today we're going to be doing some of KleshGuitars' Gold Beginner Paydirt. He also sends this piece of poster here, and on the back it says that if you make any social media video, YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram, you can get free gold. So 100,000 views plus. It's going to be 2 free bags of your choice. So help me out, guys. Help me out. All right, let's get into it. So, guys, huge shout out to Shane Klesh for sending in this bag of gold beginner Paydirt. I won this bag from a Christmas giveaway over on his Discord server, and yeah, this isn't the first bag of Paydirt I've done from KleshKrums, and it probably won't be the last. But it's definitely going to be a good one. If it's anything like the last bag, it's going to contain about 8 or 9 good-sized flakes and pickers of placer gold. So we have our sifters here, and we're going to be using 2 different sizes of classifications. One is going to be our 1/4 inch, and the other one is going to be our 40 mesh. Let's go see what it looks like in the pan. Nice. Oh, cool. And yeah, we can already see a few little amethysts, a little bit of quartz crystals. We're just gonna go ahead and dump it out, and we'll get everything as much as we can out of the bag. Say that looks pretty good. Okay. So we actually got a KleshGuitars guitar pick in here. It's pretty cool because I actually play guitar. It's a nice medium heavy gauge guitar pick. I'll definitely be using that, Shane. So if you're watching this, big ups to that. Super cool. I do see some small quartz crystals, some bigger size rocks. Oh, that looks really cool. It's actually a lot smoother than what it looks like on my camera. A lot of cool rocks. I do like to save most of the rocks out of here just because they look so dang cool. Looking around for some gold here. I'm not seeing any gold right away, but it's okay. It'll come out. Yeah, not too worried about it. Not too worried about it. Okay, so now we're going to remove the magnetic material. Not much. We're going to keep that separate from everything else, so I'm just going to set that on this bag over here. I highly don't recommend doing that. You know, we gotta do it somehow. It just makes it easier. Shane, he's taught us all well. So now that all the magnetic is removed, we can start our classification process. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the plus 1/4 inch in this pan and the minus 1/4 inch in this pan. First, I think I'm going to pick out some of these gemstones and just add them into the collection here. Really cool. I love finding all the gemstones and picking those out. Okay, that looks like it. Oh, I just brushed away a small piece of gold there, so... Yep, we're gonna start our classification process now. Got our 1/4 inch sifter here, and just going to pour it right on top. So here we got some bigger groupings of stones. Some of this is a little bit wet still, so I'm just gonna break up these dirt balls, and we can reclassify. Okay, and that's what we're left with, plus 1/4 inch. Just a lot of big stones. I don't see any gold on them, but we will be saving all of our tailings for later, so Next up, we're going to be doing our 40 mesh. So here we have our minus 40 and our plus 40. I think most of our gold's going to be in this one here, as there is probably not going to be too many big flakes. So yeah, let's go fill up our AutoZone oil dish with some water, and we'll be right back. Okay, so right here I see a little flake of gold. This is the minus quarter inch. Bit of soap. As expected, there's... Alright guys, we've got our lucky spoon. We're just going to go ahead and take one of these spoonfuls and bring it over to our smaller pan. And do one of these at a time. Let's reposition here. Okay, now that we're down to the last little bit here, we're just going to shake it all down, and I can already see some gold in there. Oh yeah. So even though we ran the magnet through it, it's still got some black sands in there, non-magnetic black sands. But now that we see a little bit of gold, we're just gonna pick it up with our snuffer bottle right away. If it'll even pick it up, it's quite a big piece. Give it a little shake. Alright, let's wash out our pan, and we'll do another scoop. And if you guys don't realize why I put the soap in there, you should probably be watching more of KleshGuitars. He'll let you know every single time he does a panning video. I see a big old chunk of mica in there. I like to save mica, even though it's a little bit of, you know, a flimsy kind of rock. But it's nice and shiny. I like shiny stuff. So, yeah, the bright thing you see here, guys, that's just a little bit of mica, a little piece of mica. We'll just keep that, and we'll pick that out with our fingers, get some oil in there so our gold starts to float again, and yeah. Yeah, no gold in that spoonful. I think since it's so easy, we're just going to do probably about 2 to 3 spoonfuls at a time. And there is definitely already some gold that I see inside of the pan. I always like to use the big riffles instead of the smaller riffles. Alrighty, the gold is starting to shine through, so even though I haven't got all the blonde sands off, we'll just go ahead and start rolling it back once we get it all built up in the bottom edge here. We've got 3 little flakes, definitely nice and heavy. 3 big flakes of gold. Those are all pickers. Very nice. So we're just going to go ahead and snuff those up. Nice. There we go. We got about 3 spoonfuls in there. We're just going to keep on going. Got the gold starting to shine through. Nice big flake here. Pretty awesome. Right. Let's serve us up some of this nice gold miner cereal. I'll save the last of that. No gold in that one. And we're just going to do the rest of it. There we go. We got some gold starting to shine through. We'll just go ahead and tilt it back. Get some of that water out. Got a little chunk of petrified wood in there. And 2 more good flakes. Go ahead and snuff all those up. Okay, guys, that is it for the first go around of the panning process. And it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 big flakes. They are all pickers. I can pick them up, so that means it's a picker, right? Okay, let's wash it just a little bit more, separate the rest of that black sand from it. And then boom. Snuff it up one last time. Right here we have our gold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pickers. Alright, so we cleaned our water up a little bit, and we're going back through it just one more time, just to see if we missed any gold. Okay, that's good. Let's drain off some of this water, and we'll stratify it one more time and start spinning. Yep, we got everything out of that, so we'll call that good. And there you have it, guys. KleshKrums Gold Beginner Paydirt. Pick you guys up a bag at KleshKrums.com. I will leave a link in the description on where you can get those down below. Super fun painting this stuff out. And I'm also happy to have the guitar pick here, Shane. So thank you for putting that one in there for me. If you guys have liked this video, please be sure to click subscribe, give it the thumbs up, and let me know down below what you guys want me to do next. And remember, 100,000 views equals free gold. I appreciate you guys clicking to watch this video. It's been awesome. I will see you next time.